Looking for a budget Android smartphone under 6K to buy in 2019? Yes, here is the one, the U Ace. Yes, of course. In this video, we'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of this U Ace, the budget Android smartphone. So without wasting much time, let's do the unboxing. So guys, here is the box and says made in India, and you has launched this smartphone to compete with the Mi devices. So in the box it says the one of the important factor is having a 4000 milliamp hour battery, is having an 18:9 aspect ratio, fingerprint scanner, face unlock, and good set of cameras. That's all. So let's do the unboxing without wasting much time. And inside the box, first of all, we get the smartphone itself. Let me just keep it aside. And inside that we get a box. There we get the 4000 milliamp hour battery. So the battery is a user removable, and here we get the data cable, and it's a micro USB one, and the charger, and the charger is a 5 volt 1.5 ampere charger, so it's a normal charger. So coming to the device, we get a pre-installed screen guard in the smartphone. Okay, so let's do the physical overview. On the top we get a 3.5 mm jack. Okay, on the back side we get the 13 megapixel shooter with LED flash, the U logo, and speaker, and on the bottom we get that micro USB port. On the right side we get that power button and volume rockets, and left side it's nothing. On the front we get a 5 megapixel camera with a selfie flash, and I just used the selfie flash. It was awesome. And we get that 18:9 aspect ratio display, and it's a HD plus display. Okay, let me just open the back cover. So here we get a proper dual SIM option here with an SD card support. So we can expand the storage up to 128 GB, and we get 2 gigs of RAM here and 16 gigs of internal storage, and we can expand the storage up to 128 GB. So let's boot the device, and here is the boot animation. And I have just completed a setup of this U Ace, and initially the phone looks awesome for this price of 5500 rupees. This is awesome. A 4000 milliamp hour battery, good set of cameras, a fingerprint scanner, face unlock. This is crazy. Glad to see that the device is running on Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box, and it has got an update from the company itself. I think it's just a bug fix, not an OS upgrade. I think so. And the device runs on almost stock UI, does not have any junk applications right here, as you can see. So almost clean UI we get. So let's pop up the camera. So here is the stock camera app, and it's a kind of old camera app, and the shutter sound, the settings, all just like an old camera app. So here we get the camera, and its rear is a 13 megapixel, as I have already said, and we can shoot videos up to 720p. And front camera is a 5 megapixel with a selfie flash. And so guys, that was a quick unboxing and review of this UA. So I will be doing a complete review of this UAs after using this phone for 2 to 3 days. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos.